How to enable Firefox Windows 11 theme. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Windows 11 theme on Firefox. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So open up your Firefox, and what you want to do is you want to click on the add-ons extension button right here at the top right corner. Click on it, and over here you will see you have some options. You have extensions, themes, and plugins. What you want to do is click on themes, and then over here you can search for Windows 11, or just simply search for Windows. It'll open up right here, or click on find more themes right here at the bottom, and then over here, and then just simply search for Windows. And over here in add-ons, select themes, and you can choose badging or relevance, whatever. But in the add-on type, select theme, and you will have these options. So you can see you have Windows XP Luna, Windows 7 Basic, Windows 10 11, and you have a bunch of different ones. And you can just simply go ahead and select whichever one you want. So let's say we want to select Windows 11 Dark Theme. We click on it, click on Install Theme. There you go, it's installed. Now we simply click on Add, click on OK. Now we come back over here into the extensions, and we should find it right here, as you can see. Now we just simply click over here, click on, and yeah, now if we close the browser and turn it on again, we should have a new theme. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Then you can go ahead and click on the extension button, go into themes, and change whatever you want. So let's say we want to enable this one. As you can see, it is now enabled. We want to enable this one. We want to change it to the other one, which is the Windows 11 Dark Theme. We click over here, click on enable. So as you can see, it is changed. So again, if you want to go ahead and find more themes, just simply scroll down, click on find more themes, search for Windows, and over here on add-on type, select theme, and choose the theme from this list. And that is it. That is how you add Firefox Windows 11 theme. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.